My dear friends, welcome to Learn SAP FICO. Today's topic is how to run electronic bank statement and how to check main bank balance. In a previous video, we have discussed about manual bank statement and today we are discussing about electronic bank statement. Many steps are similar, so I am just discussing which are different steps. So let's start. First of all, in my previous videos, in manual bank statement, we have created these three GLs, main bank GL, incoming bank and outgoing bank GL. We have defined a house bank also, and in defined posting keys and posting rules for manual bank statement, we have defined account symbols, assign account symbols, and define a posting rules also. There is a one change in this fourth step, which is define posting rules. So go to SAP, give the T code SPRO, then click on SAP reference IMG. Here click on this financial accounting new. Under financial accounting new, click on bank accounting. In a bank accounting, click on business transactions. In business transaction, click on payment transactions. Here you can see manual bank statement. Second one, define posting keys and posting rules. Give chart of account, that is Tata. Here we have defined these three steps. In a fourth step, there is one changes, so we will just make it change. Double click on define posting rules. Here click on new entries. Posting rule, which we have defined in our previous videos, or you can check by pressing F4 key, or if you have remembered that posting rule, you can give directly. Here it is TA01 for incoming payment. As we defined earlier also, give posting area 1 and posting key for debit is 40. Here we will assign a post account symbol. Before assigning, you can see the entry. As in my previous video, we have discussed about these entries also. For main bank will debit and credit with the clearing transaction posting during the bank reconciliation. FI transaction during bank reconciliation. For receipt clearing, main bank account debit and incoming bank credit. Here you can see incoming bank is credited and in a normal receipt entry, incoming bank is debit. So here you can check the incoming bank will be clear. The main entry will be main bank account debit and customer account credit. So go back to SAP. Here you have checked it. Incoming bank will be clear. So we will assign account symbol for main bank. That is TA00. If you have not remember, you can see the list by pressing F4 key. TA00 for main bank, which we have defined in my previous videos. If you are new, you didn't watch my previous video, firstly go and check my previous videos. Here you can see TA00 for main bank, TA01 for incoming and TA02 for outgoing. So in a debit, we will take TA00 and in credit, we will give account symbol for a TA01, that is incoming. Here we will not give a posting key for a clearing GL. For clearing account, we will not give a posting key. It will clear automatically as we will define a configuration. Account document type is AB, and posting type we will select here, press F4 key. Here you can see clear document, clear debit GL with 4 and clear credit GL with 5. Here we need to clear a credit GL. So we will give a 5 number. Then click on save. This entry already exists with the same key. So you need to define like this. We'll get back. As we have defined in my previous video in a manual bank statement, in a company, either they use a manual bank statement or they use a electronic bank statement. So as per requirement of your client, you have to define the configurations. As a training purpose, I am telling you both the scenarios. So if you have already exist with the same key, so open that one, posting rule TA01, enter. Here you need to change it. Double click on it. Here you need to change the configurations. You no need to give a credit GL number posting key. And here we will select 5 for a clear credit account. Then click on save. Continue. Similarly, we will define for a outgoing payment also. As we have defined in my manual bank statement, so I am just changing my old settings. If you didn't define any settings, so you can click on this new entry, then give as I am giving. So go back to define posting rules. Here I am already existing with the same key, so I am just opening with my TA02 for outgoing payment. Here you can see it has exist. So go back to presentation and check this for payment clearing. Outgoing bank is debit and main bank is credit. The normal entry is vendor account debit to outgoing bank. Here you can see outgoing bank is debit and here outgoing bank is credit. So debit and credit will be nullified and the main entry will be vendor account debit to main bank. Same as we will define here. We will not give a posting key for outgoing bank because it is electronic bank statement, so it will do automatically. And here we will assign a main bank GL with a 50 posting key. And here need to change one, press F4 key, and here we will give phone number for clear debit GL. Then click on save. So like this, friend, you can define a posting rules. This is the major changes in a electronic bank statement. Then there is one more changes in a T-code OT53. Go back to SAP. Run the T-code OT53, which is for create and assign business transaction. Here click on new entries. Get back. OT52. Here the T code is OT52. Make it correct here. OT 52. Now click on new entries. Give a transaction TA01 for incoming. So for incoming we will give a mark, plus mark, because it will add the amount in our bank. And posting rule is also TA01. Here in internal algorithm we will give 15 for clearing, or you can see the list by pressing F4 key. Here we will give this 15 number for clearing transaction. Same as for outgoing payment also, TA02 minus for outgoing payment, posting rule TA02 and 15. Here you can give a text, incoming clearing and outgoing clearing. Then click on save. Similarly, it has already exist. So friends, you have to define like this. As I am defined in my manual bank statement, that's why it is showing. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, bank accounting, business transaction, payment transactions, manual bank statement, create and assign business transaction, which we have defined in a manual bank statement also. Here we need to select position, transaction TA01. Here you can see it has already exist, that's why he didn't save again. So double click on it and you can change it here. Only one make it correction, that is 15 for clearing automatically. It will clear automatically. Or you can mention here auto clearing, automatic incoming clearing. And same with the outgoing also, 15 for automatic outgoing clearing. And save. Fine. Now next step is, there is one more changes in a OT43, which is defined variant for bank statement. We will get back. As we have created variant in a manual bank statement, go back, double click on it, select your variant, which is TABAR. Yes, this one, double click on it. Here you can see we have activated 3 fields. One more field we need to select, which is bank reference. Select it and insert before, or double click on bank reference. Double click on it, continue. Now you can see it has added and save. This is the one in small changes for a electronic bank statement. We will get back. Now all these configuration has done. Friends, in a next video we will learn about how to upload a bank reconciliation statement and how to check the main bank balance. Okay friends, if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.